Hello students, welcome to RBF Solutions Programming Training. In this video, we are going to learn how to add two numbers using C. Let's start. First, we declare our header files, then the main section, as I already described in my previous video. Then create the block, curly brace open and curly brace close. Within this curly brace, we are writing our statement, right? So now I am declaring variables int x, y and sum, and initialize sum with 0, right? Here I am using data types for declaring variable x and y, that is int. Int mean data type, int mean integer, means are absolute values, okay, like 5, 6, 27, etc. We can use float for real number, store the real number. We are using float, like 2.54, 3.67, like this. We can use char to store character like A, B, C, D, etc. So those are the data types we are using in C. Now we have initialize value. So this is our declaration, and these are definition or initialization of variables. It stores value in memory. After that, I am writing the input statement. In input statement, I am writing printf enter value of x. Scanf percentage d and x. Then printf /n enter value of y. Then scanf percentage d and y. Then calculating the sum of two numbers, sum equals to x plus y. So sum equals to x plus y, actually the process. After that, we print, after calculating, we print the output. This printf /n result is percentage d sum. Then get ch, and here I am using CLR is CR for clear screen. Now explain the program line by line. So has include stdio.h, has include copy.h. I already explained in the previous video. So those are the header file are required to sense the functions I am using within the C, right? So this is my main part. So this is our scope. Within a scope, I am declaring the variable xy, clear, and in sum we are storing a basic, just store with 0. If you not store any value in the this variable, it may store some garbage value. After that, I am writing the printf statement /n. /n is actually a escape sequence. It means a line break. Okay, like /t used for a tab. Now I am writing input for y. Then I am calculating the sum equals to x plus y, and then print out. Here percentage d means it's called, percentage d call in C an integer value. It's called an integer value, right? Same way percentage f value and store in a variable, we require address operator, that is address operator and address of x. But when we call a value of a calculation, we not need any address operator. When we send a value in a memory, we require address operator, but when we call, not require any address operator. That's why I am calling a value from sum. Here I am not using any address operator. Okay, focus on this point. And here I am sending a value in a variable. That's why I am using this address operator. Okay. Before that I am using a comma. It's a common mistake. You must use this comma and %d within double quote, right? And each and every line end with a semicolon. But when some scope is open, before that line never use semicolon. This is a mistake. So never use this. Okay. Remember that. Okay. So this is our next program. So here I am calculating adding two numbers using C. In the next video, I am going to teach you how to swap two numbers using C. Thank you.